Okay, now we're gonna extrude both arms, and as you see from this drawing, the extrusion is going to be toward you once we place the clamps in this direction, with the opening of the clamps to your left, meaning that it's opening in that direction. And the large arm is going to be extruded toward you, the small arm is going to be extruded away from you, and the thickness of it is going to be 0.125. And we're going to check the volume of the arm as well. Alright, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to click front. So now I'm going to click the sphere, extrude. Make sure that solid is selected and it's new. I'm going to select my entities. I'm going to select that, 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 that. Now notice how there's a ring here that's missing. You're gonna make sure that you click that as well. Okay, and those are the parts that I'm extruding. And type blind. How do I know which direction is being extruded? Well, there you go. The arrow is pointing toward you, and the thickness is a little bit too much, so I'm going to click on depth, and I'm going to put 0.125, and just to double check, I'm going to click on that, 0.125. Okay, clear, and we are done with that one. Okay, and you see the other arm disappeared, but never fear. If you look at the features menu, sketch, the eye is been crossed out, so it's hidden. So I'm going to unhide it. Again, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to flip this on toward the other side. So I'm going to make sure that the opening is facing to my right instead of to my left. So I'm gonna do this. And the reason I want to do that is because there are parts of the small arm that are blocked out by the large arm. Now, I'm going to click back. So now it's the back side. Again, I'm going to extrude. Now I'm going to click all the parts that I want to extrude. I want to click that, 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 and big circle. These two spaces in between. And again, I'm going to click on that ring. Okay, and if you want to check, just tilt your drawing a little bit. See, it's being extruded in the wrong direction. So I have two options. I can click on the arrow, or I can click on the little right where you see the arrow actually is pointing toward the other option, which is opposite direction. Either of them is going to work the same. And I click opposite direction, and now I'm going to make my thickness 0.125. And I'm done. Oh, one more thing. Over here, where it says in the first option, right underneath solid, where it says result body operation type, you have to make sure you click new. And now we're done. Now we have two separate arms. Just what I need.